Hey everyone, and welcome back to Pluto Window. Ever wondered why things cost what they do? Or why some countries are rich and others struggle? Well, today we're diving into a topic that explains it all: economics. What is economics? At its core, economics is the study of how societies use scarce resources to satisfy unlimited wants. Sounds a bit fancy, right? But really, it's about choices. Every single day, individuals, businesses, and governments make choices because resources like time, money, and materials are limited. Think about it. You only have so much money in your pocket and countless things you want to buy. That's economics in action. Scarcity and opportunity cost. Two big ideas we need to grasp are scarcity and opportunity cost. Scarcity simply means there isn't enough of everything for everyone to have all they want. It forces us to prioritize. And because of scarcity, every choice we make comes with an opportunity cost. That's the value of the next best alternative you didn't choose. For example, if you spend your last $10 on a pizza, your opportunity cost might be the movie ticket you could have bought instead. Microeconomics versus macroeconomics. Economics is usually split into two main branches. Microeconomics looks at the small picture, how individuals, households, and firms make decisions. Think about why one company sets its prices the way it does, or why you buy a specific product. Macroeconomics looks at the big picture, the economy as a whole. This is where we talk about things like national unemployment rates, inflation across an entire country, or how governments manage their budgets. Both are super important for understanding different layers of our economic world. Why does it matter? So, why should you care? Because economics affects literally everything. It influences your job prospects, the prices you pay, the interest on your loans, government policies, and even global conflicts. Understanding economics gives you a powerful lens through which to view the world, helping you make better personal decisions and understand the headlines. That's a quick dive into the basics of economics. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos explaining complex topics, and let me know in the comments what economic topic you want me to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.